And welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix foobar2000 if it's not opening on your Windows PC or laptop. If the program won't launch, crashes immediately, or doesn't respond when you try to open it, don't worry. I'll walk you through several simple solutions that can help fix the problem. Let's get started. First, restart your computer. Sometimes a simple reboot can resolve temporary software issues that prevent foobar2000 from opening. Next, try launching foobar2000 as an administrator. Right-click the foobar2000 shortcut and select *** Run as administrator ***. If the program still doesn't open, make sure you're using the latest version. Visit the official foobar2000 website, download the newest installer, and update or reinstall the application. You should also check whether your antivirus or Windows security is blocking foobar2000. If necessary, add the program to the allowed list and try opening it again. Another solution is to reset foobar2000 settings. If a damaged configuration file is causing the issue, resetting the settings can often fix startup problems. Be aware that this may remove your custom preferences. If you've recently installed new components or plugins, one of them may be causing the problem. Try removing the recently added component or reinstalling foobar2000 without extra plugins. Also, make sure Windows is fully updated by installing the latest system updates, as missing updates can sometimes cause software compatibility issues. If none of these methods work, uninstall foobar2000 completely, restart your computer, and install the latest version from the official website. After reinstalling, launch the program again to check whether the issue has been resolved. And that's how you fix foobar2000 when it's not opening on your Windows PC or laptop. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.